Buyer activity on the Eastern Shore continues to be off by 10.3% from last year this same time, and the shift is reflected by 12.8% fewer contracts year over year. It's Friday, July 31st, 2026. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker-owner of Kinetic Realty, your go-to real estate resource in Maryland. This is the Maryland Eastern Shore Report. The Eastern Shore inventory is up 14.4% from last year to 2,423 properties for sale at a median $409,000 list price. This is 6% below last year's list price, indicating market adjustment for a slower market. 1,291 sellers have reduced their list price by 7%. 115 properties sold in 28 days at 97.4% list to sold ratio for a median sold price of $445,000. This sold price is up 15% this week, although this is reflecting fewer homes going to settlement compared to last year this same time, and the sold price is 20% higher than last year this same time. There are 137 rental properties this week for lease. Rent fell to $2,150 per month. These have been on the market for 37 days. 14 properties leased over the past week at $2,038 per month median lease rate. That's your weekly wrap for this week's Maryland Eastern Shore Report for Friday, July 31st, 2026. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend, and I'll see you the week after next. Take care.